Experts say they believe the COVID-19 pandemic is to blame for that rise in cases because they tell us that many kids didn't actually get their immunizations when they were supposed to due to everything happening with the pandemic. They say that their immune systems may just be weaker as well as they adjust to life out in public as they now get older and we get further away from the pandemic. So far this year, there have been 93 reported cases of whooping cough. This compared to the 11 total cases in all of last year, so a pretty big difference there. Health Department leaders say the cough often looks like a case of RSV, the flu, or COVID-19. They tell us if you have a persistent cough, you should immediately get tested for the virus. They say it's spread through person-to-person contact, often just the sharing of germs. Experts say the virus can be contagious for weeks if it's on any sort of uncleaned surfaces. Doctors are asking people ages 11 to 64 to get a single booster dose of the Tdap vaccine. That's going to act as a booster because the one that you got as a child wears off over time. They tell us pregnant women and infants are also considered high risk when it comes to whooping cough. Doctors say watching out for symptoms and early treatment is going to be key here.
This is really what is most important. Also, we're not really aware of any particular geographic clusters, but we have been aware of these school and daycare type of little outbreaks that we've seen, and particularly close family contacts of infants is where we have also seen that there could be cases and where we want to make sure people are up to date in the vaccines.
And the Connecticut Health Department wants to know about these cases. So if you end up coming down with that, you know somebody that does, make sure it's getting reported. You can go to the Health Department's website for that information to make sure that we have everything up to date for those statistics. Erica, back to you.